Hi, boys and girls. Thanks for coming back. I hope you can hear me. Welcome back. We are going to do the beginning sound again, and this week I'm going to do the sounds and the signs. So the first one is ah, ah. The second one is ba, ba, and this one is k, k. C is k, D is d, like Dee Dee deer. E is as in Ellie elephant. And F is Francie fish, like. So it's easy to do, just gotta just keep practicing, okay? So come on around, and here's my pencil box, and my name. If you don't put your name on it, we don't know whose it is. So match the picture with its beginning sound. A, B, K, D, E. So let's name the pictures. This is a dog, dog. And this is a butterfly. Apple, fish, elephant, and cat. Now look at the B's and the D's. They look the same, but there's a forward circle on a B and a backward circle on a D. Now let me show you a trick. So in kindergarten we teach this. Pretend this is a bed. Does this look like a bed? So here's my front part of my bed where my head goes, and this is where my feet go. So whenever you wonder if it's a B or a D, you make your bed, and here's my B. See the forward circle? And here's my D, the backward circle. So and this looks like a B, and this looks like a D. So make your bed if you're wondering which way the B goes or which way the D goes, as in bed is the beginning sound, and D is the ending sound, and bed. Okay. Now, so this is dog. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out. Remember, you're always cutting by your tummy, and you just turn your paper. Your hand stays the same place, and turn your paper. Turn my paper. Sometimes you want to just cut it off, and then I trim it. Okay? All right. So my glue. So my first picture is dog. So I'm going to cut out dog. I'm going to find the sound. A, B, remember your bed. K, D, there it is. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue on the desk. Not on the desk, but the paper. And then I'm just going to press him right there, and that's dog. My next picture is a butterfly. Butterfly. A, B, K, E. I think it's a butterfly. B. So glue and paste. Okay. So I'm going to cut. And this one is a apple. 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 Goes A, K, E. Apple is A for A. Okay. Next one is a fish. Do you hear it? Fish. Is it K? No. E? No. Yeah, fish. Is F. And then cutting my last one. Cat. K, no. Cat. You guys are learning sounds. It's going to get easier. And elephant. elephant. There you go. Those are the sounds. Bye-bye.